Good morning, everybody. I didn't mean to make a face before I smiled, but it was like so, I'm impulsive like that. I don't know. Because, we're waking up. I know a lot of you kids don't want to get up this morning, and you certainly don't want to do math. Who would want to do math, at this hour? But let's try to make it fun with music. So we're on mental math and doing double digits times double digits in our heads without the use of a calculator all the time. Paper, pencils. When you're taking a test, the more you're able to do very fast, simple stuff in your head, you need your mind freed, especially pre-calculus and any math. You're a kid coming up and you're learning pre-algebra, but you're a child. You're a young person growing into adulthood, and your mind is just trying to wrap itself around all these new mathematical operations. So just listen to me and accept the fact that you need to learn how to do quick stuff, the simple stuff in your head. If you spend all your time on a test doing simple operations on the calculator and freaking out, you'll never do well. But if you're able to accomplish all the simple operations mentally, you will succeed. Bear with me. Hope you enjoy. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11 is 121. 12 times 12 is 144. 13 times 13, I believe it's 169, but let's check it out. 10 times 13 is 130. And 3 times 13 is 26 plus 13 is 39. 39 plus 130 is 169. 14 times 14, we believe it's 256, but let's check it out. 140 plus, okay, so 10 times any number is that number plus a 0, so 10 times 14 is what? 140. And 4 times 14 is 56. Check it out. 14 plus 14 is 28. 28 plus 28 is 56. 56 plus 140. 56 plus 140 is 196. I messed up. I said it was 256, which is probably 16 times 16. Let's check it out. I'm getting ahead of myself and of you probably. If I'm getting ahead of myself, I'm probably getting ahead of the kids that are listening and the young adults and the students of all ages. But let's still do 16 times 16. Once again, we say 14 times 14. Let's correct what I said at first. It's 196. And I already illustrated why by saying 10 times 14 is 140. 4 times 14 is 56. 140 plus 56 is how much? 196. And the last one this morning until later, is 16 times 16, which is 160 plus 6 times 16, which is 60 plus 36 is 96. 160 plus 96 is 256. Okay, so you get the idea. I mean, I'm not perfect, but then again, I don't think any computer is perfect or artificial intelligence is perfect, because how could it be if it's created by imperfect man? Which nowadays you can't even say anything without it being politically incorrect. So I got to say men and women and children, because we're all human and we're all programming these things and ourselves to learn better math using art and music. Hopefully more art and less music, but that's another conversation.